Alright, YouTube. This is a quick review of the Harken Hoister system. Topper lift, general lift system for I'm using it for my topper for my Toyota Tacoma. It's supposed to hold about 200 pounds, and yeah, let me go get the truck in here and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so as you can see there, I struggled that a little bit. Basically, it's basically the Harken Hoister. Here it is. It's a pulley system with 8-to-1, I believe, mechanical advantage on this model. Runs all those cables to there, and it's got the kind of a snatch one-way cam on there that only disengages when you pull it at a certain angle. In this case, you have to pull this cable, this rope, really flat here, really extreme angle. So you pretty much had to get on the other side of the garage to get it to disengage, which is kind of a pain in the ass. Once you get it most of the way loosened, and right now it's sitting back on the rails here. What I did is I tried to do at least, put a couple blocks of wood under there. Try to do some nice little slots there to prevent it from rubbing so much, because otherwise it's just this sharp fiberglass edge. But it doesn't really work very well. It doesn't work how it was intended to, because it kind of just slides in. It does kind of make it easier to get the straps underneath it. I don't know. You could forego that process and it'll probably be okay. But now we have all this, there's still quite a bit of tension on here now. It's still sitting on there, but I can't quite get this loose enough. I've tried before, is I've just went up there with a ladder and kind of just, with my finger, just pushed on that cam to loosen it to get all the tension off of here, because otherwise you got these heavy duty metal cam buckles here that are holding all the weight. Go ahead and loosen them. It loosens quite a bit, and next time you try to get it back on, pretty much really have to muscle it back into place, and it's a pain in the ass. So that's one of my biggest pet peeves about this system, is that thing does not disengage very easily, which is probably a good thing, given that if you kind of want it to be up in the air for the most part, until you don't. So show you the rest of the way here. Show you inside. Get these straps out and I just lift up. And tighten it up, and that's pretty much it. So, about 10 minutes swap time, 10-15 minutes. This kit was about $150. For a little bit steep for what it is, just a bunch of pulleys, but they're pretty well built. So I'd say it's pretty worth it. When I was first looking for a pickup lift, I was assuming there was going to be like clips that go underneath it and just kind of just clip them underneath and pull them straight up. This isn't what I expected. It was just a continuous loop of webbing that supports it. But there's nothing else on the market that really is quite like this, and it works pretty well. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helps somebody.